Let's turn back to today's top story out of Buchanan County. Now at 12:30, we have just learned everyone has been accounted for following severe flooding in Buchanan County. Still, though, residents are left picking up the pieces, saying they expect to feel the effects of this for some time.
Residents say they don't know when they'll have working water, power, or cell service. John Renko has more from the residents affected this afternoon.
We sit on the porch up until about, daylight, and it got up right top of the porch, probably about 5 feet.
On Dismal River Road, the flood devastated a tight-knit community. Cars and boats suddenly became deadly objects.
I was feared for his life and his family's life, because if that broke free down that way, it could hit his house and it could take it out. A
terrifying night even for some lucky enough to miss the damaging flood by feet. The sound of the flood, something most will never forget.
The popping and the cracking, just like the whole river was just going to burst and just control everything.
It didn't hit me till the adrenaline wore off, and all day long I've been just shaking.
Danny and Barbie Boyd were out of town last night, but returned to find the trailer park they call home in shambles.
I don't know. It might be my pastures. I don't know. I can't tell whose is whose anymore.
For Delma and Shirley Gibson, a flood in 1977 devastated this exact spot, but they call this one far more destructive.
And I think the house came down, hooked the shed. It took it all right on down through there.
Throughout last night and the morning today, a desperate search for loved ones. Barbie Boyd says her mother was trapped in a car for over an hour.
They found her at, 10:30? Yeah. It took it about 12 o'clock to get her out of the car. I am so glad that whoever got her out, I appreciate it. Because I was away and I could not. I was worried all night.
Well, to help those affected by the flooding, the United Way of Southwest Virginia has created a relief fund. The latest update from first responders asking for supplies and donations. You can find more details on our website, WFXRTV.com.